Hi everyone, how are you all? So my name is Isheshpal and welcome to my channel Sheshpal Mathswala. In previous video we have discussed another question regarding finding the parameters of circumcircle, incircle and excircles, capital R, small r, R1, R2 and R3. Regarding that model I have discussed two questions. Okay, if you want to see it you need to check my previous video. In today's video we are going to discuss another question as given here. He is asking us to prove that R1 by R2 R3 is equal to tan square A by 2. He is asking us to prove this. Okay. Method 1. In method 1 I am going to use the fundamental formulas. R1 by R2 R3. Okay. R is nothing but radius of the incircle, which is nothing but delta by S into R1. R1 is nothing but delta by S minus A by R2 R3. R2 is nothing but delta by S minus B into delta by S minus C. This delta all gets cancelled. So finally we will get S minus B into S minus C by S of S minus A. Okay, simplifying R1 by R2 R3 by substituting the fundamental formulas, we are going to get the final result as S minus B into S minus C by S of S minus C. Okay. Now let me I can write it as under root and whole square, right? I am keeping under root and squaring on both sides. Okay. This 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 thing which is in the bracket represents the form of tan A by 2. Tan A by 2 whole square, which is nothing but tan square A by 2. Okay, this is the method 1. In method 1, I have used the fundamental formulas for R1, R2, R3 and here you need to identify that this shows the form of tan A by 2. As here I have kept whole square tan square A by 2. Okay. In similar manner, using different formulas, we may get the same answer, but the method will be different. Here is what I am going to do. I am going to apply different formulas, different form of formulas. Okay. Let's move for the second method. Method 2. In method 2, I am going to apply R1 by R2 R3 small r. I am going to write this value as 4 capital R sine A by 2 sine B by 2 sine C by 2. And for R1 I am going to write it as into 4R sine A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2 by. We have already discussed its derivations in the previous video. If you want to recap these concepts, you need to check my previous videos. Okay, I'm directly applying all these formulas. R2 is nothing but 4R cos A by 2 sin B by 2 cos C by 2 and R3 is nothing but 4 capital R cos A by 2 cos B by 2 into sin C by 2. Okay, 4R gets cancelled, 4R gets cancelled, sin B by 2 sin B by 2, these both gets cancelled. Next sin C by 2 sin C by 2 gets cancelled. Next sin cos A by 2 No, cos c by 2, cos c by 2, cos c by 2. These both gets cancelled. Cos b by 2, cos b by 2. These both gets cancelled. Finally remained is sin a by 2 by cos a by 2, sin a by 2 by cos a by 2. Sin a by 2 by cos a by 2 is nothing but tan a by 2. Similarly, it is tan a by 2. Sin a by 2 into sin a by 2. Sin square a by 2 by cos a by 2 into cos a by 2. It's nothing but cos square a by 2 is equal to tan square a by 2. Okay, we have got the same result though applying different formulas. In method 1, I have applied the basic formulas for R1 and R2, R3, and I have got the same result, tan square a by 2. In second method, I have applied these formulas, though I got the same answer. Okay, let's move for the next method. Method 3. Okay, here R1 by R2, R3. Let me write R as s minus a into tan a by 2. R as s minus a into tan a by 2. Okay, similarly R1 as s tan a by 2 by R2. R2 is nothing but s tan b by 2 into R3, s tan c by 2. Okay, now here s gets cancelled. Here it can be written as s minus a by s into tan b by 2 tan c by 2 into tan square a by 2. Okay, s minus a by s into tan b by 2 tan c by 2 into tan square a by 2. Here we need to simplify this part. Okay, tan b by 2 into tan c by 2. S minus a by s into root s minus a into s minus c by s of s minus b into root tan c by 2. Tan c by 2 is nothing but s minus a into s minus b by s of s minus c. Okay, here s minus c gets cancelled. S minus b, s minus c gets cancelled. S gets cancelled. S minus c overall gets cancelled. Finally, it is going to be 1. So this whole value is going to be 1. It means it is going to be tan square a by 2. Okay. Here, this is how we can prove the same result using these formulas. See, the formula that I have applied may be different, but the final answer is going to be same. As per the formulas that we have applied, we may get different procedures, but the final answer is going to be same. Okay, that's it for this video. For further problems, let's meet in the next video. Until then, bye bye.